Building thousands of vehicles every day takes incredible precision, and BMW believes humanoid robots can now play a much bigger role in making that happen. After a successful trial with its previous robot, the company is bringing the next-generation Figure 03 robot to its Spartanburg manufacturing plant, where it will help streamline production and support employees with demanding tasks. The earlier Figure 02 robot spent around 10 months working alongside BMW's manufacturing team, helping build more than 30,000 BMW X3 SUVs. It handled the job of placing sheet metal parts into position for welding, a task that requires speed, consistency, and pinpoint accuracy. The pilot project showed that humanoid robots can safely perform repetitive work inside a busy factory while working alongside human employees. Now, Figure 03 is taking on a new challenge in the logistics department. Parts arrive at the plant in large containers without any particular order. The robot will sort those parts into sequencing carts, so they're organized exactly as assembly workers need them. Once the carts are filled, automated transport systems deliver the parts to the production line at the right time, helping keep production running smoothly and reducing unnecessary delays. Figure 03 also introduces several major improvements over its predecessor. It features softer exterior materials for added safety, wireless charging to increase operating time, speech-to-speech communication, and upgraded robotic hands equipped with tactile sensors and palm-mounted cameras. These new features allow the robot to handle components with greater precision and tackle more complex tasks. This is all part of BMW's growing investment in physical AI, where artificial intelligence works together with real-world machines and robots. Instead of replacing workers, these humanoid robots are designed to handle repetitive, physically demanding, or less ergonomic jobs, allowing employees to focus on more skilled work while improving safety and efficiency across the factory. BMW is also transforming its Spartanburg plant into one of its most advanced digital factories. Engineers use detailed virtual 3D simulations to plan production before work even begins, making it easier to spot potential issues and optimize workflows. The company even models human movement to improve workstation design and create more comfortable working conditions. Artificial intelligence is also helping maintain quality throughout the production process. Smart camera systems and sensors inspect vehicles as they're being built, providing workers with instant feedback through connected devices. By combining AI, advanced automation, and humanoid robots, BMW is showing how the next generation of automotive manufacturing is already becoming a reality.